Alright, hello everyone, welcome to another video, and in today's video I am simply going to teach you how to turn off your friend playing game notification on your Steam. So this video is going to be a very simple and easy step-by-step tutorial, so feel free to watch the video till the end. And with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first of all you're going to do is go ahead and open your Steam application. So finally, once you have opened your Steam, on the bottom right of your screen you're going to go ahead and see this button that says friends and chat right over here. As you can see, you're simply going to go ahead and click on it, and once you have done that, this small window is gonna pop up where you want to simply go ahead and click on this gear icon right over here. And finally, once you have clicked on the gear icon, you're going to be on this tab where you want to click on notifications on the left over here. And once you have done that, as you can see, so here is a option which says when a friend is on a game. Basically what you want to do is there is going to be a tick mark right here which you want to deselect, and as soon as you deselect, it's not going to go ahead and send you any notification. So if you thought this video was helpful, feel free to comment down below any other queries you might have, and if you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and thank you so much for watching.